Dear students, today we are going to solve question number 5 of exercise 7.1. Mamangda question number 4 bau tawgre ko. Ngasi question 5 se mugi ngasi. A coin is tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? Nangi coin nama se ahum laglange. Ahum laglangaga outcomes me amse record tawre. Adu the outcomes sing si the possible outcomes kya layga doino na hangba question ni ko. Kwenye mamangi class te addition principle and multiplication principle haina rule ani tamme nangi any random experiment amada kai puthongna bagi total possible outcome puthongna bagi arrangement puthongna bagi ni kwa nangna tamgi bado. Question number 5. If a coin is tossed nangi coin ama lang taragadi we have head or tail or head anista ma phangbayai ko. There are two possible outcomes. Outcomes kya lere ani lerani ba. If a coin is tossed 3 times, nangi coin se ahumlak lang taragadi, the total possible outcomes is given by the multiplication rule. Multiplication principle or rule na pira ani ko. Kamain pira kani first, second, and third haina nangi operation se ahum thong lay gani ba. First dasu total possible outcomes se ani ni. Nangi second time lang badasu total possible outcomes se ani phangani. Third times lang badasu total possible outcomes se 2 phangni ko. If a coin is tossed at first, then there are two possible outcomes, and if a coin is tossed second time, then there will be two possible outcomes, that is head or tail. And again, a coin is tossed 3 times, then the total possible outcomes is given by 2 into 2 into 3. It is given by the principle of multiplication. Nangi multiplication ki rule na pirakpani ko 2 into 2 into 2 which is equal to 8. Sumain taraga nangi total possible outcomes se kya tani hai ba nipan tani ba. And now we are going to learn about the new topic, permutation. Permutation hai se kaino khani yengasi ko. Permutation hai se mamang da khara su takre arrangement ne ba. Nangwan da object natraga particles khara pira ganda tongan ba difference arrangement tawraga masing thiba duni permutation hai se. A permutation is an arrangement of objects taken some or all at a time. Nangi objects se loina use to we natraga some khara use to we ko. The permutation of the n objects taken r at a time is denoted by p n, r, capital P n, r or npr. Sigi form da su e, sigi form da su e ko. Permutations of the n objects nangon the n objects leraga r objects se use to ragadi. Permutation se p n, r ne. N means total number of objects. R sina use the number of objects used at a time. Matam mamada use the number of objects in R. Next, we are going to learn about factorial notation. The continued product of the first n natural number is called n factorial or factorial n kaubanigo, and it is denoted by n factorial. This symbol represents factorial. The continued product of first and natural number. Example in a 6 factorial has this symbol represents factorial. Factorial represent the 6 factorial has in a kaino 1 dagina 6 fawgi continuous ki product 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. That is called 6 factorial. And so n factorial means the product of first continued the product of first n natural numbers 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into ... n minus 1 n minus 2 si mayam se gi product se koina factorial kawe ko 4 factorial haidi kana gi product tarani ahan ba natural number mari gi product ni. The product of first 4 natural number they are 1 2 3 4. 7 factorial na kay min the way 1 2 3 4 5 6 and last one is 7 chumaina. The continued product of first 7 natural number is called 7 factorial. And like this, n factorial is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, ... 3 to 1. And this n should be natural number. Nangis the period n se natural number oigadam niko. N che koina n che thamoraga sibauge expression che kaitare. The expression of this, the product of this expression, and it can be represented by n minus 1 factorial. The product of first n minus 1 factorial gi product tadra. Do the n minus 1 amuk sinbayare ko. Sibau dangi amuk lauragadi. 1 2 3 4 n minus 2 tadra, n minus 2 factorial. Aduna nangi n factorial sa amuk su reduce to buya. But this n factorial can be reduced to n n minus 1 factorial or n minus 1, n minus 2, and n minus 3 factorial sum hanthagi ba yadoini ko. Reduced by 1 kya de hanthani amamam sum hantharakani ba. Duna 6 factorial habisna mean tawrise kaina 1 dagina 6 paugi product se. The continued product of 4 6 natural number, that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, is called 6 factorial, and its value is equal to 720 tareko. And now we are going to define 0 factorial. We define 0 factorial is equal to 1. 0 factorial की value से क्या ताई है बा 1 ताई को. Factorial है बसे है रनी को. Factorial notation खंगे 0 factorial खंगे. Now we are going to solve exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Evaluate 8 factorial. 8 factorial से evaluate तो है. 8 factorial ना mean term से कहीं no. The continued product of first 8 natural number, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ni kwa. Si mayam se ki product putho o hai. Product hot pakanda 40320 40,320. Si taab ni kwa anay check tawro. Next question. Question number 3 na kay hai. Evaluate 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial 2 factorial. Si evaluate to hai ko. 8 factorial. Koina factorial notation se reduce the way I call. 8 factorial can be reduced to 8, 7, 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial. Then this 2 factorial can be expressed as 2 into 1. Cancelling this 6 factorial and 6 factorial, we have 8 into 7 divided by 2. And when this 8 divided by 2, we get 4 as the remainder of 4 as the quotient, and we get 4 into 7 is equal to 28. It is the value of this expression 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial and 2 factorial. Question number 4. Find the value of x if 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial is equal to x divided by 8 factorial. Sidagi equation je nangon na piramagadi kanagi value puthokadaba. Find the value of x si muhochika. 6 factorial and 7 factorial have 6 na 1 2 3 4 5 6 paugi product ni. 7 factorial sina 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ni mana 7 hendui natra. Ani se kanan jaw behele 7 factorial. LCM of 6 factorial and 7 factorial is 7 factorial. And so LCM 7 factorial divided by 6 factorial, it will be equal to 7 into 6 factorial. 7 is reduced to 6 factorial, and when it is divided by 6 factorial, we get 7 is the remainder. 7 thamsiko. And when this 7 factorial divided by this 7 factorial, we get 1 is the quotient. And so which is equal to x divided by 8 factorial. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 7 factorial is x divided by 8 factorial. By cross multiplication, write x multiplied by 8 factorial divided by 7 factorial. Then reduce this 8 factorial up to 7 factorial. 7 will reduce to 8 into 8 into 8 minus 1, 7 tareko. Cancelling 7, 7, 8, 8, 64. And so the value of x is equal to 64. And last question is question number 5. Evaluate n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. See value se evaluate the when n is equal to 6 and r is equal to 2. N is 6 wherever r gi value na kya rakanda plus 2 rakanda ko. Now n factorial by n minus r factorial will be equal to 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial, which is equal to 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial. And now 6 factorial is reduced to 4. 4 will reduce to 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Cancelling 4 factorial, we have 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Sitare ko. Sumain tawraga nangi value mayam se puthoni. Next topic is permutations when all the objects are distinct. Permutation sida nangi objects sing se loin distinct already. Kamaina angka hotui no sing siko. Theorem number 1. The number of permutations of the n objects taken are at that time. The number of permutations of the n objects taken are at a time where r less than 0 less than r less than or equal to n is given by p n comma r is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Sigi formula na p ni ba. Nangi n objects label sigi manungda R object use tꯧꯔ ꯇꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ permutation ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ different arrangement ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ total number of permutations ꯇꯣ ꯀꯩꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥꯅ ꯄꯤꯒꯅꯤ n factorial divided by n minus r factorial ꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯦ proof the number of the permutations of the n different objects taken r at that time is same as finding the number of ways in which r places can be filled up by the r objects out of the n objects habadi permutation of the n objects taken r at that time nangi n objects leiraga r objects lauraga permutation laubase nangi r vacant places se r objects to na fill up tawbaga manai haiba sumaina nangi vacant place se kya leirani r vacant place leibasida n objects sizinaraga fill up tawbagi concept ka manai haiba tudi hause aina fill up tawdise mafam kyano mafam r ni kwa 1 2 3 4 hairaga r suba place se bo fill up tawgani kamaina fill up tawgadagi haise yengse nangi objects sing se sigi nangi objects sing se distinct oigadaba aduga se repetition yadaba case ni kwa here nangi objects sing se repeat tawba yade the first place can be fill in n ways nangi n ways te yani ba kaigino harakanda ahanba fill tawba matamda koina object n object legani n objects se any one of the n objects can be placed in the first place te thamba yagani ba ko aduna nangi object n ways leirani nangi first place fill up tawbase the first place can be fill up in n ways and after this we are left with n minus 1 object n minus 1 lehorani ko adugi n minus 1 object se kaide thamba yagani after that any one of the n minus 1 objects can be fill up in second place so the second place can be fill up in n minus 1 ways and the third place can be fill up in n minus 2 ways n minus 2 da mo fill up to be ko and thus the first three vacant places koina multiplication rule use to doini first se n da yagre second se n minus 1 da yagre third se n minus 2 da yaradra the ahum se khaktang gyana fill up to gi case hana khanasi ko and for the first three vacant places it can be filled in n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 ways by the principle of multiplication rule. Multiplication rule used to rakanda chi n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 ways to fill up to beare ko. Sigi mawong sida sum proceed to ragadi. Proceeding in the same manner, the art vacant place can be filled up in si ahan bagi n se fill up to base n chatra n khatang tari se kaina first hairaga n de chali se n minus 1 minus 1 hai tai ko 1 1 cancel to gi tar 0 chatra second gi sine n minus 2 hairadi sidagi kai thorakani 2 thamgadaba ko 2 minus 1 1 nam phangadra sina n ways ta lere sina n minus 1 ways ta lere mathangi n minus 2 harakpa kanse kamai phangino hairadi n minus 3 minus 2 sumaina khaidoknaba matamda n minus 3 minus 1 sidagi 2 thoklai ko si first neba si first si thamasi 1 log thokre ko second gi n second place have si 2 thame 2 minus 1 lere third place have si the n minus 3 kya khaido e 1 khaido e ko sigi mawong da sum follow tawradi nangi art suba sa kaida fill up tawba yagani n minus r minus 1 tarani ba sida first have ka na 1 lay ko 2 have second place have ka na 2 lere third place have ka na se 3 oidra the r place harani si value se kai oibam thoi r subado oibam thoi ko and so proceeding in the same manner the art place can be filled up in n minus r minus 1 ways sida fill up to yare ko nangi kaino se nangi r suba aroiba vacant place sigi ways ta fill up to yare masai du na ahum suba ka tangkhandra hawjing na nangi whole sigi pull up se vacant place se khala agadi maraktam am le horini ko si khala agadi nangi vacant place r vacant places se ways kya de fill up to yagani and therefore the number of ways of filling in r vacant places in succession is nangi r vacant places se kamaina fill up to yani hai tar di n into n minus 1 n minus 2 dot last expression is n minus r minus 1 sida fill up to yare ko and so the permutations of the n objects taken r at that time is equal to number of ways of filling r places by the given n objects to na fill up tawbaga manay haigidra then n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus this r minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 we have minus r plus 1 si phange ko sinang na factorial notation de express tawge haitaragadi n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus r plus 1 sigi plus 1 sa sida minus 1 am khaido n minus r plus 1 minus 1 khaidok naradi kai lemi n minus r leme ko dun n minus r factorial da n minus r na factorial na divide tawgani example oina 8 plus 8 into 7 into 6 factorial da express taw haitaragadi 8 into 7 into 6 akoina 5 factorial ama hapsin gani mathakta makhada le hapsin bayadra 25 factorial into 6 into 7 into 8 it can be expressed as 8 factorial by 5 factorial sigi mong de ibayai ko sigi concept se koina use tawrakanda n into n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus r plus 1 n minus r factorial si yawram da base mathak makha ani makta hapsele ko n minus r plus 1 dagi hanthawa number ama se n minus r ni factorial samana na multiply to sel multiplying denominator and numerator by n minus r factorial we have permutations of the n objects taken are at that time is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial sigi mong da leire ko corollary number 1 p n comma n which is equal to n factorial by dakti si r se n sentare ko n minus n factorial is n factorial by 0 factorial which is equal to n factorial since 0 factorial is equal to 1 tagre ko mana minter se kaino that is the permutations of the n objects taken all at a time nangi n objects pibo se n objects mag use taw taragadi nangi permutation se kya tai haiba n factorial tai haibadi object manga piraga ahum sijinaba nataba object manga piba se manga mag use tawragadi aduguma type ki permutation se kaina pira ani n factorial here n is the number of objects available number 2 pn comma 0 is equal to n factorial divided by n minus 0 factorial here the value of r is equal to 0 which is equal to n factorial by n factorial 1 tai ko mana minter se kaino the permutations of the n objects if no object is taken nangon the object manga pire kale object to amta load taragadi magi arrangement to kya phangani 1 laini nang load the object manga do pareng chaina laini chaina pareng amadi laidana sigi pareng ama se kaino arrangement ama ne ba ko nang se amta sijina da bai se moje leng da bidum laidoini aduna ma se permutation kya leba kawi ama khatang leba kawi ko object amta use tawdragadi permutation ama lere object manga makse use tawragadi 5 factorial haidu ta doini next theorem is the number of permutations of the n different objects taken are at that time when the repetition is allowed handak na repetition yaba ko mamangi duna repetition yaragadi nangi total number of permutations ja kaina pigani n to the power r sina pini ko siamo yengse the number of permutations of the n objects taken are at a time is same as finding the number of the ways in which the r places can be filled up by kaina fill up tawba r objects out of the n objects by repeating the objects nangi objects sing se kai orakanda repeat tawrakanda nangi permutations of n objects taken are nangon the object n piba kanda r object sijinaraga tongan ba permutation puthok pa habase kaigi meaning ga chap mane heba nangon the r vacant places sama piraga n objects na fill up tawbaga mane heba by repeating its objects ai ko handak the repetition yare the first place can be filled up by any one of the objects nangon da gansai object ya lay n objects later n objects the first place the thamning bam thambayani any one of the n objects can be placed in the first place and so this first place can be filled up by kaida ways kya the fill up to beare n ways the fill up to beare ko after this the second place can be filled up in n objects again adum n objects na fill up to beani since the objects can be repeated nangi objects adum repeat to beadra see n ways they are ko second is ways kya de agani n ways they agani and therefore the both places can be filled up in n into n multiplication rule pale ko n into n square the fill up to be are The third place can be filled up in n ways since the objects can be repeated. Objects repeat we have in n ways and by combining these three places they can be filled up in n into n into n, which is equal to n to the power 3 ways. Vacant place ani fill up to n square. Vacant place ahom fill up to taragadi n cube tarekwa. And proceeding in the same manner, the number of ways of filling r places by n objects will be n into n into n. Nangi sigumba r vacant places n objects na fill up to taragadi ways kada fill up to yani hava n into n into n into n. It will be equal to n to the power r. Here r is the number of vacant places. Sumain taraga koina angka hotpase yani yantai ko ngasagi permutation dadi n factorial by n minus r factorial type if the objects cannot be repeated. Handak na repeated oragadi nangi n to the power se kay lakani r lakani. R se na kay no nangi number of vacant place. Number of vacant place means nang no object kya use to do no habito. Object manga piraga ahom use to tardi 5 to the power 3. Object manga piraga object kya sizinaba yai haradi. Mari sizinaba yai hardi 5 to the power kay da chalani 4 sumain tarala ani. R se nangi vacant place ta doini. R se permutation da haragadi nang na sizinagadaba number of objects to oiduni kwa. Ani oibiyay ahom oibiyay mari oibiyay. Sina theorem number kya no? Theorem number 2. Mamangi duna repetition yadaba. Handak na repetition yaba ko. Haziki permutation gi theorem ani do sizinabagi exercise amu yengsi ko. Exercise 7.2 gi question number 1 ga question number 2 ga nangi permutation gi theorem se kamaina sizinani habadu yengsi. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9? 1 dagi 9 bo use to raga digit ahum leba numbers form to haiba. If no digit is repeated, nang digit se repeat to bayabra. Nangi digit se repeat to bayade ko. Simu yengsi. Here we are going to form all the possible 3-digit numbers by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Sumain taraga nangi object se mapan letra. Digit mapan leba se object mapan available orini ko. And so the permutations of the 9 objects taken 3. 3-digit numbers so itar the digit kya select togani. We have to select 3 digits out of this 9 digits. Nangi 9 digit tagi digit ahum lawganiba and is given by p 9, 3. Sinapiri kwa. Permutations of the 9 objects taken 3. It is given by 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 3. Here the value of n is equal to 9 and the r is equal to 3, which is equal to 9 factorial by 6 factorial. Then reduce this 9 factorial up to 6 factorial. It can be expressed as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial by 6 factorial. Cancelling this 6 factorial, find the product of 9, 8, and 7, which is equal to 504. Nangon the piriba 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 have a digit mapanze. Sizinaraga digit ahum labor numbers kya form to waya haitaragadi 504 se sizinaba yaduini kwa. 504 se semba yaduini. Sumaina nangi object mapan labor se sita thamani. Nang kya sizinani haitardi ahum. Si mong dang ko hotare kwa. Formula itare pn kama r haitardi n factorial by n minus r factorial. Put n is equal to n, r is equal to 3. We have n factorial by 6 factorial. Simahirani ko. Next question, question number 2. How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? Digit se digit mari labor numbers kya lege haba. Nang digit se repeat ho bayabra si digit se repeat ho bayade ko. The digit mari labor ita the unit place, 10 place, 100 place, thousands place labam to eba. Mamang the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 high handak the digits a 0 yaw bayare ko. Now we are going to form all the possible 4-digit numbers by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 without repeating its digit. Nangi digit sing se repeat bayabra, repeat bayade doitardi. We should use the theorem number 1. Theorem number 1 use to duni ko since 0 cannot be placed in the thousands place. 0 se thousands place the thambaya deva. If 0 is at the thousands place, then the number is not a 4-digit number. 4-digit number oigadra or kwa. And since 0 cannot be placed in thousands place the thambaya dreko. And so this thousands place can be fill up in ways kya the fill up to bayagani 9p1 ways the fill up to bayan. ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯖꯤꯠꯁꯦ 10ꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ digit 10 sidagi 0 logthokhradi nangi total number of digit available se 9 natra 9 dudagi ama khanba permutation of the 9 objects taken one at a time se sigi way se fill up tawba se 9p1 de fill up tawba yare ko and after this we have to fill up all these 3 vacant places si ahom je mu fill up tawdoine ba 0 se thousands place the thamba ya de tarasu. Since 0 cannot be placed in the thousands place, but 0 can be placed in any one of the remaining 3 places. Ahum stadium thamba yadra. And the digits cannot be repeated. Digits sim repeat over yadra kwa. 9. Digits cannot be repeated. If any one of the digit is placed at the thousands place, then it cannot be place in remaining places ta happa yadreba sta 1 lagi tardi 1 se mathang da hanba yaroi ko aduna we are left with 9 minus 1 8 objects khatang laire ko but 0 can be placed in any one of the objects, so 8 plus 1 will be equal to 9. We are left with 9 objects amuk lairadra. And by using these 9 objects, we have to fill these 3 vacant places, and it can be done in 9p3 ways. 9p3 ways to fill up the way ani. Hosik fill up the wagi mawang se ani thong na chatpa. Thousands place amuk fill up the remaining ma'am se amuk fill up the way ko. Kamay na tawri no hara di 0 yaw bagin. 0 na thousands place ta leram magadi. Mase kai sing de haiba. 0 na thousands place ta leramba matam da di 4 digit number oideba ko aduna mase 0 yahonda bida fill up tawreba 9p1 da aduga object ama logthokre repeated tawbagi 8 taradra 0 amu hapsilaga di 9 tare ko and the remaining 9 places can be fill up in 9p3 ways, and then the remaining 3 places can be fill up in 9p3 ways. Permutation lobagi one ko, and therefore by the multiplication principle total possible numbers is equal to si ahan ba fill up tawbase 9p1 ne marak te into thamgadam ne ko aduga 9p3 mu lakpa angka hole ko 9 factorial by 9 minus 1 8 factorial 9 factorial by 9 minus 3 6 factorial tare ko 9 factorial is reduced to 8 factorial 9 into 9 juga 8 cancel tawbre ko aduga sigi 9 se 6 paw reduce tawbe 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial by 6 factorial si cancel tawre housing nang na product pu thok tuise 9987 sigi product hole ani ko kya ga manare 4536, which is the required 4 digit numbers. For today, let's end here.